Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make young coconut jelly using agar powder. The ingredients are super simple, and the method isn't too hard either. So let's head into the kitchen. To make this dessert, I'll be using fresh coconut water, coconut cream, white sugar, jelly powder, and of course, young coconut meat. For the coconut meat, make sure to choose the soft, tender part so it's not too chewy. Clean it well, peel off the thin brown layer, and shred or slice it like this. Alright, let's start cooking. First, mix the agar powder with the sugar. This helps prevent clumping when cooking. Pour the coconut water into a pot. If you don't have fresh coconut water, plain water will work, but coconut water gives a much better flavor and natural sweetness. Add a pinch of salt, stir, and warm it up. Once the coconut water is warm, slowly pour in the sugar and jelly powder mixture while continuously stirring. This ensures the powder fully dissolves and doesn't clump up. Lower the heat to medium-low and continue cooking. When the mixture comes to a gentle boil, reduce the heat to the lowest setting and let it simmer for another 4 to 5 minutes. This helps the jelly set well without releasing excess water later. After the jelly mixture is fully cooked, add in the shredded young coconut. Stir it well and cook for another 30 seconds. Then, turn off the heat and pour the mixture into molds. Spread the coconut evenly throughout the mold and let it cool to room temperature. Now, let's make the top coconut cream layer. In a clean pot, add the coconut cream, a bit of sugar, and the jelly powder. I'll show the exact measurements on screen. Stir everything well and cook over low heat until it comes to a gentle simmer. Then turn off the heat. Important note, don't use high heat when cooking coconut cream, or it may separate. For extra aroma, you can also add a few drops of vanilla extract. To help the two jelly layers stick together, gently score the surface of the first layer with a small knife before pouring on the coconut cream jelly. Let it cool slightly, cover it, and refrigerate for 1 to 2 hours until fully set. Once it's firm, remove the jelly from the mold and cut into bite-sized pieces. This jelly is delicious on its own, or you can enjoy it with sweet soup, chae, or yogurt. As you can see, the two layers stick together beautifully without separating. You can also get creative and pour 3 layers: clear jelly, coconut cream, and another clear jelly on top so the cream layer sits in the middle. And that's it! I've just shown you how to make young coconut jelly. I hope this recipe helps if you're looking to try this refreshing dessert. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.